Hello guys, welcome. You are watching Technology Welfare. Let's learn and watch with practical in this tutorial. How to cast, how to reflect any smartphones on your desktop without data cable. Right now for demo, especially I have taken one Moto smartphones and right now see I am a casting. So there is no any issues is coming without data cable with the help of Wi-Fi, especially I have a connected. Now see, we can do anything on device that is being reflected on my desktop without any data cable and without any delay response. So how do you do it? By yourself. If you need to cast or reflect any Moto device or any smartphone device on your desktop without connecting a data cable. For it guys, firstly you will have to download that is a one reflector, see, and this reflector you have to open. After opening, just we have to come in any mobile series, especially in a Moto smartphones, tap on a setting guys, and after coming in a setting, just you need to tap on connection device. So second line, see, after network and internet, below just there is a one options Bluetooth pairing as well as connected device. So just let's tap on it. After tapping, we will click again see all device. Here just we need to click on a see all device. So previously it's not showing, so in that conditions just we will go for connection preference. So in the connection preference, see, there is one option cast. So just you need to select a cast, and here see my desktop has been connected right now. So it's a simple way with the help of Wi-Fi, but see, Wi-Fi connection should be a similar. Whatever Wi-Fi has been connected in your desktop or PC or laptops, that should be connected in your device. How it is show? See guys, right now I have connected this Wi-Fi here. Similarly, if I go in a Wi-Fi, see here, this Wi-Fi has been connected. So you can check it out here. See, this one and this one. So it's working very smoothly with the help of Wi-Fi without any delay response, an easy way and more reliable. So this is all about in this video tutorial. Any inquiry furthermore, blindly have a query below comment box. In course of time, I will reply definitely according to your query. And if it is informative and knowledgeable, then please don't forget bother to like, subscribe and share of this content. May be beneficial those who are highly curious to have or fix such kind of the issues. This is all about in this video tutorial guys. Thank you. Bye bye.